Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about equilibrium diagrams. What does a point on an equilibrium phase diagram represent? A. A single phase. B. Two coexisting phases. Coexisting phases. D. A specific composition and temperature. A. The melting point of an alloy. The correct answer is D. A specific composition and temperature. In a binary phase diagram, what does the horizontal axis typically represent? A. Temperature. B. Pressure. C. Time. D. Composition of one component. Grain size. The correct answer is D. Composition of one component. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the purpose of a tie line in a two-phase region of a phase diagram? A. To connect similar phases. B. To determine the compositions of the two phases in equilibrium. C. To indicate the temperature range. D. To show the cooling rate. E. To represent the solidus line. The correct answer is B. To determine the compositions of the two phases in equilibrium. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.